Welcome to my channel, The Vent Craft. This channel is dedicated to showing you designs as well as tips, tricks, and how to make various crafts ranging from hearts, fascinators, hand fan, bouquet, and much more. Today I'll be showing you how to make this gorgeous bouquet. Let's dive in. There's a bunch of flour. The first thing you do is check to see the flour is secured on the stalk, that's the petals. Once it's secured, you take your cutter and you start cutting them from the bunch, one by one, the quantity that you need. Next, you arrange the flower stalk according to height and color. Arrange the fillers the way you want them to show. Now it's time to arrange the bouquet. We start from the shortest length upwards, gathering the flower the way you want them to appear in a colored pattern if you're using more than one color. I left more fillers and leaves on the longest flower stalk so it appears at the last row. Next, you arrange the flowers a bit and use rubber bands to hold the stalk. Please be careful with the tip of the stalk, they are sharp. Then you arrange the flower stalk again to form your desired shape. Next, you take your cutter and trim the stalk to the same level. Put B6000 at the tip of the flower tape and cover the gathered stalk all the way down. We would use the balloon straws to make this. First, cut your balloon straw into two, that's if you want an average stalk, and watch how I cover the straw with the flower tape. This is how you place the stalks made from the straws around the bouquet stalk. Hold the top and bottom with double rubber bands. After you have done that, you make the heights to be the same by pushing the stalks from the tip. Next, we cover our stalk, our bouquet stalk, with the flower tape. If you have any questions so far, you could ask me in the comment below and I'll respond as quick as possible. The next thing we do is to take our cord and cover the flower tape. We're getting to the end of this great tutorial on how to make a bouquet. If you enjoyed it and you have learned, please do give us a like. Just press the like button, and so you don't miss out on any of our DIYs on how to make various items that we do. Please do subscribe and click the bell button. Here is our finished bouquet. Thanks so much for staying with us to the end of this video. Don't forget, if you have any questions about making this bouquet, please do write it in the comment section and we'll respond as soon as possible.